Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a video using AI. Here you can go and type Invideo AI and then you can open this platform. So this platform uses different AI models. You can use this one, Sora 2 AI. And after that, before creating a video, we need to create a free account. Here you can go and click on sign up button. And create a free account. Click here, continue with Google. You can also create your account with Apple. And now scroll down, allow access. Here you can fill out and add some information. Okay, here you can select few options. Now account is created. And here you can see different options. Here you can select the model. Then after that, now we need to add a prompt here. Let me go back ChatGPT and here we can type create a prompt for video ad 5-second video ad for flying taxi and company name Blue Air, and press enter. And now ChatGPT will create a prompt. We can copy this one and then add this prompt here. Then after that, here you can select different instructions, like you can select the video resolution and aspect ratio. Then after that, click here generate my video. So guys, here you can see video ad is ready and voice is also available. As we see, some of the AI platforms does not provide audio functionality. Now let me play it. Okay, after that you can save this video ad into your laptop.